How to delete Instagram block list without Unblock. To do so, first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then hit on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select the three lines from the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. Now on the searching bar, search for block. Now here are all of the users that you have blocked. Here you'll only see unblock option. There is no any option to delete Instagram block list. The only thing you can do to do so is simply go through the three lines on the top right and go through the settings and privacy. From here at the last you will see help. Go through it and select report a problem and select report problem without checking. And now here briefly describe that you want to delete your Instagram block list. Once you hit on the send, which is on the top right corner, Instagram team will help you out within the 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.